Hey y'all, well, we are going with the flow again today, and today the flow is the Tampa Bay. We're going on a kayak ride, going around the point of some of the inlets here, and actually what we're going to do is we're going to drive around to another area of the campground where we could put in our kayaks and hopefully paddle around a point to see the Skyway bridge. Skyway bridge is supposed to be a little bit south of St. Pete, so we're headed that direction. Now, we had a park representative stop us and let us know that the kayak launching area was on the other side of the park.
Can you tell if it's going if I look at you? See if we can join the Pelican flotilla here. I tried.
What?
I tried to join the Pelican flotilla. He wouldn't have me.
Oh well.
I love the way that they're just hovering.
Yeah, that is cool. Well, it's amazing that my video camera still works because it just got covered with water, and I don't have a waterproof thing on here. Anyway, just a little house out there, little beach house out there on that point. And if you can see off to the right, the Skyway bridge is right out there. And yes, we found it.
That's just a little house on a point. I don't think I want to paddle all the way to the Skyway.
I'm glad you don't.
Because I'd be doing it by myself, right?
And this is straight out there. I believe that's the city of St. Pete. And off to my right, my way right, that is the city of Tampa, the Skyline. It's kind of rough and windy out here this afternoon or this morning. But it's a little bit more calmer than it was yesterday afternoon when we came out to look at the sunset. I didn't do any video of that, but I'll show you some pictures later. Alright, so we found the Skyway bridge. Let me talk to my husband and see what we want to do next. What do we want to do? When we want to go back?
I think let's go down this branch right here.
Okay, so apparently we are going down there. I will follow him and we'll talk to you later.
I had to stash my phone in my net up there because I was getting splashed and my pants were getting wet.
So right now we are just in this little lagoon. We have a couple of pelicans around us. And you can see it's a pretty little inlet. And there's where we came from, way back there. So when we start to head back, we'll have to go out into the bay and fight the wind and the waters. And hopefully my camera equipment will still continue to work, but we shall see. It did get soaked with salt water, so we'll see what happens. Isn't nature beautiful? I wonder how long it's going to take Paul to notice that I'm not behind him. all along these waterways are mangrove bushes, trees, and they can actually start out in open water and grow from just one small bush to what you see around you. They use their roots to walk out into the water, if you want to say that. You can see them hanging down. Obviously you can't get out and walk among the mangroves because of all the little roots and shoots that are hanging down and coming up from the bottom. Any other thoughts on those?
Only that it's real good bird habitat.
Yep, definitely.
Oh, he got him one.
You got him a fish? Yep. Well, I'm not sure if this is recording because I can't see my screen anymore.
How wet did it get?
It wet. Wet. It got wet.
Okay, we'll find out.
Alright, and Paul just said that to go around this little mangrove island, there's no outlet on this side, so we're gonna have to go back around that way. So here we go, out braving the elements again, going out around that point and back around to the boat launch area. See you on the flip side.
I think once we turn this corner, if we aim for that red marker, we'll be going into the waves, which won't splash us as badly. And then we go around a red marker, we'll be going away from the waves and headed back towards the launch point. Does that make sense?
In this wind going back. Definitely not gaining as much headway as I did when we were coming out here. And it seems like the wind is picking up a bit. Paul wants me to head for that red marker, so we'll go and begin going against the waves and we won't get as wet. But I don't know. Hey y'all, thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, The Go With The Flow Couple. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Bye y'all.